Hi guys! Are you wondering if renting or buying is a better fit for you? Watch today's video to find out the answer. Realtors get asked a lot, is it better to rent or buy? And generally, I want you to buy so that you can have the benefits of home ownership, including equity. Every time that you make your monthly mortgage payment, you're earning equity. However, there are some situations in which it makes sense to rent. In today's video, I'm going to take you around to some properties that are available to rent, as well as show you some options of what's available to buy. And ultimately, it's a personal decision based on your life circumstances and your finances. I can refer you to lenders in the area so that you can connect the dots and figure out what is the best situation for you right now. But if you are interested in buying a new construction property or a resale home in the area, I can help you. Reach out 202-827-5069, and I can also help you rent. So enjoy!
Saturday, 73 degrees and cloudy skies. Sunday, 73 degrees and lots of clouds.
In their views.
Good morning.
But when used appropriately, exploit an accurate view of that future.
Hi there, welcome back. I'm Maureen with Landis Properties, and I'm going to show you some new construction options as well as resale and rental options in the Ashburn Brambleton area today. If you need to sell your home in Loudoun County or Fairfax, especially in the Ashburn area, I'm your girl. Reach out, landisproperties.com, 202-827-5069, and I'd love to help you sell your home and then find a new one. I'm a new construction specialist, and there's so many options, so I wanted to feature just a few of them today, but for a more thorough search, please reach out, and I would love to help you. This is the site of Ashburn Station by Stanley Martin Homes. New construction condos with garages in Ashburn. And this is the site of brand new construction in Broadlands, right near the Ashburn Metro, and I'll show you as we drive by. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, lets in a lot of light as well.
And we're driving now in the area of Metro Walk Moorfield Station, which is a brand new construction community of luxury condos in Ashburn. You guessed it, right near the Metro. So the Metro will take you all the way to DC or stops along the way. So there are a few new construction options just off the top of my head in the area where we are right now in Brambleton. There are some right near Madison's Trust Elementary, Brambleton Middle School, and Independence High School. So if you have kids who are school age or you just like being in a young, vibrant community, there are townhomes that are going up right now that will be available for move-in, some as soon as November, and some will be delivered next year. If selling your current home is part of your plan, reach out now to get started and we can come up with a plan to get your home sold and moved into a new construction home by next year. Also, if you're downsizing or you're wanting that retirement lifestyle, Birchwood at Brambleton has single family homes as well as condos. So whatever your price point or size preferences, there's something in Brambleton, which is a master plan community, and it's a thriving community, a great place to retire. And if new construction isn't right for you, of course I can help you find a home that previously exists. I've lived in this area for over 30 years and am very familiar with it, all types of places, and I'd love to show you around and help you find a place for you. So if you're thinking about new construction or a resale home, reach out, www.landisproperties.com, or you can text or call 202-827-5069. And I'm Maureen, I'm a realtor and new construction specialist. I would love to help you, and I'd love to help you sell your home if that's part of your process also. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you have a great day. I hope I was able to provide some value. And again, reach out, Landis Properties on the web, or send me a call or a text, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days. I would love to help you and love to be a resource for you.